Okay, we are now down to one of the most difficult parts of selling. Lesson 9 is all about handling objections. So first things first, you need to remember this. Ang mga objections ay hindi rejection. Kadalasan ang mga objection are things, are obstacles you need to overcome para makuha mo yung benta. Hindi ibig sabihin ni-reject ka na agad niyan. Okay? Minsan lang may mga information sila na kailangan nilang malaman or kailangan mong i-deliver so that they can make the right decision and buy the property. So, ano yung tip ko para sa inyo regarding handling objections? Ito ha, mareremember nyo to. A, B, C. Okay? ABC lang yan. A, acknowledge. Always remember to acknowledge. This way, yung kliyente mo, alam na nakikinig ka. Okay? Now, warning. Magkaiba ang acknowledge sa parroting. Ang parroting, inuulit mo lang exactly kung ano yung sinabi nila. Acknowledgement is, you are telling them what they said in your own words. Diba? Kunwari, ma'am, nako, naiintindihan ko na minsan talagang mahal bumili ng bagong bahay na kagaya nito. After acknowledging, you will now say the benefits-based response. Letter B, benefits-based response. Okay? For example, may nagsabi, ay sir, mahal naman yung binibili mo. Actually, tama po kayo. Mas mahal po talaga yung price na ino-offer namin. Pero kasi, you have to consider, ma'am, yung location tsaka yung quality. In fact, mahal man ito, mas gumaganda po yung resale value nito. Ibig sabihin, habang tumatagal, tumataas po yung value ng investment na binigay niyo. Yon ang benefits-based response. Okay? Nag-acknowledge ako, and then nagbigay ako ng response based sa objection nila. Pero instead of just telling them a response, binabase ko sa benefits na kayang ibigay ng bahay or ng property. Sir, alam ko po medyo mahal yung bahay. O, di ba? Ganun. O, kaya yung iba naman, marami kasing sira. Actually, sir, considering the value. Ayan, doon ka considering the value of the property. Kasi po, kung titignan niyo po yung property, yung binibili niyo po rito, yung location niya. Ang ganda po ng location. Pwede ka magtayo ng commercial, pwede ka magtayo ng residential. This location is perfect. Hindi sobrang gulo, hindi sobrang tahimik. Perfect po ito para sa inyo kasi 'di ba, as a businessman, 'di ba? You are using benefits. Higher level, gusto niyo ng tip higher level, i-connect mo yung benefits kung sino sila. Kaya mas kilala mo yung tao, mas dumadali ang buhay mo. Pero just to remind everyone, benefits-based response ang letter B. And letter C, call to action. You have to make them act on the information na binigay mo, yung benefits-based response. It sounds something like this. Ma'am, mas maganda po siguro kung makita nyo muna in person yung property para ma-feel nyo kung worth talaga siya. Open po ba kayo this Wednesday for a site visit? Assumptive yung call to action mo. Pwede rin naman kung medyo strong yung personality ng tao, sir, anytime this week will be a good time for me. Kailan po kayo available? Yan. Ganyan yung mga style. Okay? So, kailangan swabe ka, kailangan diretso ka. Kaya nga kailangan, pinapractice mo yan. Remember, most of the time, objections, it doesn't reject people. It actually shows interest. Interesado sila pero meron silang mga fears. So pag hinandle mo yung fear, binigyan mo, di ba? Tinira mo ng benefits-based to handle those fears, malaki yung chance na malaland mo yung sale. So ngayon, as an activity, ito matagal-tagal activity to, this might take you days or even hours, o di ba? Huwag lang sanang weeks, no? You need to create 2 master scripts that you will be using regarding objections. Gawa ka ng sarili mong script na merong acknowledgement, statement, No? Sir, sakto talaga yung sinabi mo. Actually, marami yung kliyente, yan yung concern. Ay, ganong style. Tapos, ang next mo na script, benefits-based response. Kaya nga po, sir, I always tell them, and so far all of them agree, na when they invest on something that is quality and truly beneficial for them, magandang location, maganda po ang presyo, kapag yan po ang pinili niyo, talaga pong sakto sa inyo. Di ba? Ganon. If you use benefits-based response and then a call to action, gawin mo yung script na yun ganon and gawin mong sayo. Ngayon, baka iniisip mo, Carl, hindi naman ako kasing confident mo or hindi naman ako kasing rowdy mo o yung personality mo. That is why I'm asking you to create the script on your own. And, to be honest with you, introvert po ako. Hindi ako magaling magbenta nung simula. I was able to be effective in sales and therefore in marketing as well in the long run because I practiced every day. Sa mga rejections ko, dyan ako natuto. So huwag niyong isipin na dahil hindi niyo personality yung personality ko o ng mga magaling na salesman, hindi na kami kasucceed. Kailangan nyo lang mag-practice. Kailangan nyo na mag-build ng paunti-unting confidence. Hindi lang sa pagkataon nyo, pero confidence kasi nagpa-practice kayo. Nagte-training kayo, nag-learn kayo. Okay? And once you're done with the script, you can proceed to the next lesson. Do the script. Okay? See you on the next one.